Hi, I'm Craig with Data Video. It's April 2020, and in about 3 weeks, we're going to be releasing a brand new product from Data Video, which I think is one of the most unique live video production products that I've seen in a long time. It's the KMU 200. This time, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to produce the show using the KMU 200. So let me give you an example here. Right now, I'm looking at a 4K camera, and it's connected to the KMU 200. I also have an HD camera over here on the side that's pointing at the interface here. Let me show you that real quick. You can see here's the interface of the KMU 200, and then here is the 4K camera. Now when I go back to the interface, you can see that there's some boxes here. Let me switch back. And I have the ability to actually move these shots that I have with my finger. This is a touchscreen monitor here. So it's also my preview window and my touch screen where I can control all my shots. I can actually move this with my joystick up here into place as well, so I don't have to use my finger if I don't want. I zoom in and out with this little dial here. Okay, so now let's take that shot. That's this shot here, 1. So there's 1, and let's go back to the other 3 shots that I have. 2, 3, and 4 are already set up with my friend here, Dean Martin, and Wonder Woman. So let's take number 2, and here's my 2 shot with Dean. And number 3 is here with Wonder Woman. So you can see, again, this is 1 camera. Camera 4 is just zoomed in on Dean. And there's back to my wide shot. So really 5 angles that I have with 1 camera, 1 4K camera. And then the other shot can be this interface here. So real quick, let me show you the back of the unit that shows you some of the other inputs you have. You have the ability to use XLR or RCA inputs. You can use an audio mixer. You also have HDMI input, which is that PC in, loop out on that. And there's your 4K video in as well. Right in the middle, you'll see that there's a stream connection, and that allows me to actually stream straight from the unit here. I can actually push this button right here and start streaming. If I want to record, I can have an SD slot right here, and I push the record button, and it starts recording straight from the unit. So you can see that this is really an all-in-one unit here, that I have streaming, recording. I have the ability to switch different camera angles from 1 camera, and I can bring in either a PC or a separate camera all into the KMU 200. Now there's one other feature I haven't showed you yet, and that's the fact that you can actually change all these angles from 16:9 to 9:16 by pushing 1 button here, it's the portrait button. I'll push that right now. And I'll go back to the interface here. You can see now that all the angles are now vertical. Let me switch back so you can see that. Okay, you can see that the cameras now, that's back to your 16:9, and now I have it 9:16. Now let's switch to some of those angles there. There's me. And let's take a shot of Dino, Dean Martin. And back to me. Wow, so I can have all these different angles from 1 camera, stream this directly to Facebook in 9:16. So if you have a social media audience that you want to use, that people use with their phones, they want to watch it this way. They don't want to really watch it like this. That's the big advantage of going with a vertical solution. If you'd like to learn more about how to stream vertically, Data Video has put together a vertical book, and you can actually download it by clicking on the link below for free. We'll give that to you, and that'll teach you a little bit more about how to stream vertically. There you have it. The KMU 200 is really an awesome product for under $3,200. It's shipping in 3 weeks, and we hope you have a chance to read more about it on our website at datavideo.com. Don't forget to like us on all our social media. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're going to be producing a lot more videos to tell you about all our other new products that are coming out in 2020. And thanks for watching.